Hey, what's up guys? Too Tall Toby here, and I'm just getting ready for the big tournament tomorrow, September 3rd. We got some awesome matchups taking place tomorrow. If we take a look at the red bracket, we can see that we've got Debris Field from the United States going up against Ricardo J from Brazil. And if we take a look at the mustard-colored bracket tomorrow, we've got Yaya TK from Egypt going up against Mayvale from Mexico. So awesome international matchups tomorrow. Be sure to tune in for that. And I'm also very excited to announce that we have some special co-commentary tomorrow, none other than the great Eric Beatty and Todd Blacksher. And these guys are going to be hosting an event on September 10th called SLUGME 7, the SOLIDWORKS largest users group meeting ever, where you are going to get a chance to get some free SOLIDWORKS training, some certification giveaways, all kinds of good stuff happening during that live stream. So be sure to sign up for that SLUGME 7. It's going to be an awesome time. It's the brainchild of Eric and Todd and Cam, who unfortunately can't be here tomorrow. But Eric and Todd are going to be helping me call the action tomorrow, September 3rd, in just 26 hours for the CAD versus CAD Heads Up Speed Modeling Tournament. Be sure to join us, youtube.com/TooTallToby. I will see you guys there.